This is the Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC, but this is no ordinary 500. This is the Pan Am. This was built by Bernd Schneider and the Benny S sport tuning shop in Germany, and they only built 3 of these vehicles. We have this beautiful, original metallic silver paint job here with us today. This 500 made its way to the United States via the Chicago International Auto Show in 1985, where it was the showcase, the centerpiece of the Mercedes-Benz display of that year. This car just reeks of fun. There is so much here that we get to do, and I am thrilled that we get to be in the driver's seat of this Mercedes-Benz. Underneath the bonnet, we have a Euro spec V8 engine generating 274 horsepower. It is normally aspirated and fuel injected. This whole engine is also linked to an inline 3-speed automatic transmission. Now all we need to do is drive. So we're behind the wheel of this beautiful 1983 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC built by Bernd Schneider. And this is a perfect opportunity to look at this marvelous, rich red leather interior throughout this cockpit. These seats are incredibly comfortable. It is a lot of fun to drive this car. This is definitely a touring car. And you can really feel the grip when you get through the turns with these ginormous tires underneath. 275s up front, 335s in the back, all tucked in this beautiful bodywork. An absolute dream car to drive, especially on the Autobahn. I would say if you're ripping along at 120 miles an hour, you got your Blaupunkt turned up high, you'd be in a very happy space. I'm really enjoying this drive.
This car has been a true pleasure to drive. Whether it's Huggy Bear cruising the streets of LA or a German touring car champion tearing up the Nordschleife, everyone will have an opinion on this car. And that is what I think makes this Mercedes-Benz 500 SEC so special. If you like what you've watched, click the subscribe button below to catch all the latest from the Speed Traveler.